All you need to do is click on the download button right here, and this platform right here, which also works worldwide, will pay you big money online. Since there's no limit, you can repeat this process over and over again to earn thousands of dollars online with absolute ease. Now, with that said, even though this is a good way to get paid online as a beginner, it will not make you any significant or life-changing amounts of money, and it's not a reliable source of long-term income. So in case you're looking for that as well, be sure to check out the very first link down in the description box below. There, you'll be able to learn not only how you can make money online in the long run, but also how to do so in purely passive income as well, and how I started out. And with all of that said, let's now jump straight into this video. Today, I have a relatively simple and straightforward strategy to share with you. Just 2 platforms are involved, but you really want to keep watching because I will show you a unique way you can use them to get paid, one that may not seem so obvious at first. The very first website you want to go over to is this one right here called Crello.com. I've shown this website in some of my previous videos a few times, so many of you will probably know what this is. For those who don't, Crello is basically a place where you can come and say, design an Instagram story that you will then publish on your Instagram account. You can come and design an Instagram post as well. Both are insanely helpful if you have a big page on Instagram, but they're far from the only things that you can design with Crello. As you can see, you have Facebook posts here, posters here, YouTube thumbnails, square graphic posts, Facebook covers, YouTube channel arts, Pinterest graphics, logos, Instagram ads, and so much more. And the truly awesome feature of this website is not that you can design all of this, it's that you can do so for 100% free. Yep, you'll not need to invest a dime into this website in order to be able to use it. And that is, of course, a big reason as to why I'm showing it to you in the first place. Furthermore, I'll show you 2 things on which you will want to focus on designing to make the most money. So make sure you keep watching so you know exactly what you need to do. With that said, guys, once you come onto Crello.com, you can take a look at all of the things you can design with the platform, all of the features this website offers to its users. But I will not get into that because it will prolong this video too much, so let's get to the point. What you want to do once you come onto Crello.com is you want to create an absolutely free account by clicking on the sign up button right here. On the following page, they'll ask you to enter in your email and password. Tick this box and then click on sign up if you wish to sign up via email. Or what you can do if you don't want to bother typing anything, and what I would also recommend you do as well, is simply sign up like I did, via Google, Facebook, or Apple. When you log in, this is how everything will now look. You will now be able to design whatever you want to using the thousands of templates this platform has to offer. And what I want you to do now once you sign up to this platform is I want you to leave this website be like so. We will be returning to it later on, and I want you now to head over to the next platform we will be using today. The first one is a site called SEOclerk.com, and the second one is a site called peopleperhour.com. Both of these websites, that I think the vast majority of you have heard about by now, are freelancing websites. On here, you can find self-employed freelancers who will do whatever you need them to do for as long as they have their particular skill set, of course. If you're someone who needs a logo design, you can come on one of these sites and find someone to do it for you. If you need someone to create a whiteboard animated video for you, you can definitely find such a person here. Perhaps you need someone to proofread a book for you, and so on and so forth. There are just too many services for me to keep going on and on. You get the point. Whatever you need done, you can find someone to do it for you on websites like these. With that said though, you are here to make money and not spend any. As such, I won't tell you to pay anyone on these 2 websites. Instead, what I want you to do is sign up as freelancers on these 2 platforms. To do that on SEO Clerk, you need to click on the Join button in the upper right corner here. You will then need to enter in a unique username, email, and password, which you will need to retype as confirmation as well, and then click on Continue below. From here, they'll ask you a bit more info like where you're from and so on and so forth, and you will want to enter in all of that. Now, to sign up on People Per Hour, you just need to click on the Sign Up button here. You will then proceed to enter in much of the same info as you would on SEO Clerk in order to create your brand new account on this website. Once you create accounts on both of those websites, it's now time for me to show you what you will actually be doing in order to make money online by combining them with Crello.com. And since Crello is such a diverse website where you can design just about anything, I have multiple services to recommend that you can offer on both SEO Clerk and People Per Hour to maximize your results and earn as much money as possible. The first such service is creating YouTube thumbnails. Now, in general, if you want to create a YouTube thumbnail, it does require a certain amount of skills. But thanks to the templates Crello offers, as you will soon see, you basically don't need any skills whatsoever. The first thing you want to do is you want to click on Templates right up here. And what you now want to do is find YouTube thumbnail templates only. In order to do so, either type in YouTube thumbnail in the search bar here, or on the left side, click on Covers and Headers and then select YouTube Thumbnails below. Either way, Crello will now show you thousands upon thousands of YouTube thumbnail templates that you can change and use as if they were your own. And you are allowed to make money off of them as well. How crazy is that? Just take a look at all of these templates. The best part is that they are done for you. Someone would literally have to invest a few hours into crafting the perfect thumbnail. But thanks to the templates Crello has for you, you don't have to do that whatsoever. What you'll now need to do is open up any one of these. For example, I opened up this one here. Once you do the same, you will be taken over to the editor where you'll see that Crello has some amazing customization options. These allow you to design a perfect YouTube thumbnail for your customer. Keep in mind that I'm just using this one here as an example. Which one you will choose will depend on what your customer wants, what's their YouTube channel all about, and you will, in accordance to their requirements, create a thumbnail for them. Click on the download button here, send it over, and get paid between $5 and $10 just like that. With that said though, another service I would highly recommend you offer is creating logo designs, which is extremely easy to do, and I'd say even easier than creating thumbnails, because all you need to do once you pick a template is just change the name in the center of the logo here and replace it with the name of the company who needs the actual logo, and that's it. Once again, click on the download button and then send it over to your customer. And as you can find out on People Per Hour and SEO Clerk, people are willing to pay you anywhere from like $50 all the way up to $150 and more. So this has huge potential to earn you big money online. And you can make such money in basically 10 minutes worth of work. The last service I'd highly recommend you guys offer is creating YouTube channel art banners. And the process is basically the same as for the thumbnails and logos. Open up a done-for-you template, customize it a tiny bit in accordance to what your customer wants, and then send it over to them. Now, for this, I would recommend creating a gig on Fiverr, actually, because I don't think you'd get that many sales on People Per Hour or SEO Clerk. Even though Fiverr is quite competitive, there aren't that many people offering their services for YouTube channel art as there are for basically anything else. So in this case, I would be absolutely fine to use this site to get customers. By offering these 3 services, guys, you can make quite a bit of money online, all thanks to Crello and the done-for-you templates they have to offer. Keep in mind that these are 3 services I would recommend, not the 3 services you can offer. So you could design a bunch of other things on Crello here and get paid big money for them, which is ultimately what makes Crello such a great platform to use. In case you're interested in making some money passively, then be sure to check out the videos that should pop up on your screen any minute now. And with that said, this is it for today's video. If you liked it, make sure you smash the like button down below, as every single one helps. And if you don't want to miss out on the videos to come, then click on the subscribe button and the bell icon, and you'll get notified whenever I upload a new video. As always, thank you for watching, and I'll see you all soon in some of the upcoming tutorials.